Hello everyone, welcome to DBMS Lab video lecture series. I am Sarita, Assistant Professor in CSE Department, Vagdevi College of Engineering, Warangal. In this lecture, we will see how to install Oracle 11G in Windows operating system. Before discussing about the installation, we have to know about the terms data, database management system and SQL. First of all, what is data? So data is nothing but the collection of facts and the statistics that are stored. For example, when we have visited a website, it might store our IP address. That IP address is called as data. And your roll number, PAN number, Aadhaar number, everything is called as data. Next, database. Database is a collection of related data stored at one place. And the data that is stored in the database can be easily accessed, managed and updated. Next, DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a software or the set of programs which is used to store and manipulate the data in database. Means it is a software which is used to store the data in database, and it is also used to retrieve, process and manipulate the data. Here we have some examples of DBMS softwares: MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, PostgreSQL. Okay, so among these, only MySQL is open source and the remaining are licensed softwares. Means we have to pay for the licensed softwares, and we use MySQL in Linux operating system and Oracle in Windows operating system. In our system, we have Oracle, we have Windows operating system, so we will install Oracle in our system. Next, SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is called a structured query language because it is used to store the data in a tabular structure, and SQL is a standard for RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. Difference between DBMS and RDBMS is, in DBMS only one user is allowed to access to the database at a time, whereas in RDBMS multiple users are allowed to access to the database at the same time. Now we will see how to download and install Oracle 11G in Windows. For that, go to the website uwindowsworld.com. Here we have downloads folder, just click on that. In that, select databases. Then select Oracle. Here we have different versions of Oracle database server. In that, we have Oracle Database Express Edition 11G for 32-bit as well as for 64-bit. My system is of 64-bit, so I am selecting this version. So just click on download folder. Once it is downloaded, go to downloads. In downloads, we have a zip file called Oracle XE 112 Win64. Just unzip that file to extract the files. By extracting, you will get these three files. Here we have a folder called setup.exe. Just double click on that. If you double click that setup.exe, it will start installing Oracle database into your local machine. Then click on next. Here, accept for license agreement, then click on next. Here, select Oracle Database 11G Express Edition, then click on next. Here we have to give a password. Here system is the username, and we have to give our own password, and we have to remember this password, and we need to enter this password in command prompt to connect with the database server. Then click on next. Now the installation has finished. Then click on finish. Now the installation has finished. Then go to the SQL command prompt in all programs. This is the SQL command prompt. In that, to connect with the database server, just type CONN space system/Deepika. Here CONN is used to connect with the database server, and system is the username, and Deepika is my password, so that we can connect with the database server. So here we can execute our commands. So this is about the installation, and in the next class we will discuss about the TDL commands. Thank you.